Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're gonna have baked potatoes, and I'm really excited about that. I haven't had these in a long time, and I really love baked potatoes. I don't know about you guys, but if you do, let me know down in the comments if you like them. We're gonna be topping them with some cheese, shredded cheese, some chili. We're going to be coating the potatoes in olive oil, and we're also going to coat them in some sea salt. And also over here I've got some half a pound of bacon, and we're going to bake this in the oven, and this is going to be for the potatoes also. Also, we're going to have some butter in our potatoes. I would like sour cream, but I forgot to get it, so no sour cream this time. And what we're gonna do is we have our potatoes, and what I did was, instead of buying the individual potatoes, I got a bag of potatoes. These are Idaho potatoes, and I just looked to see how big they were, and these are a pretty good size. They're like medium size, small to medium. And these are good enough because we can have one or two, depending on whether we're going to be having anything else with it. But these are a good size to make anyway. And we also have our baking pan. So I have this aluminum tray. It looks like it's seen better days, but it's actually good for this. I didn't want to use a new one, and I didn't want to throw this one out, so we're going to be using that. And we've got water here, and what we're going to do is we're going to be first rinsing off our potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the bigger ones in the bag, and those are the ones that I'm going to be using. Okay, so this one looks pretty big. We've got one here. Okay, I'm going to go through this bag. Let's see what we've got here. This one, it looks pretty good. Don't want to use the little ones because then, they're going to be too small for the, to stuff them with the, and load them up with the toppings. This one looks pretty big. Okay, let's see. I want to make at least 6. This one looks pretty good. Got another one over here. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 in there so far. I think that's pretty good. Okay, so let me just put this away. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn my oven on to 370. I'm going to put it at 370. Okay, that's pretty good. And we're going to rinse our potatoes. Okay. All right. Now, what you can also do is you can individually wrap your potatoes in foil. I've done that before, but okay, there goes my oven. And I forgot to push start. That's what happened. Okay, so as I was saying, we can wrap our potatoes up individually in foil, which I've done before, but just for time's sake, I'm just gonna coat them in the oil and salt and just put them in the aluminum pan. Okay, let me open up that salt. And this is a new salt that I bought. This is sea salt. I normally use Himalayan pink salt. So this is the first time I bought this kind of salt. And let's see. see if I can get it open. Okay, there we go. Okay, sorry guys, I know this is taking me some time. So I hope everyone is doing good out there. I hope everyone is making something good to eat today. You know, something fun, something maybe creative. And if you do, let me know down in the comments, and I'd love to know. And I'm glad everyone is here with me today. I appreciate that very much. You could have been somewhere else. You could have been even watching another video, but you decided to watch this one. And if you haven't taken the chance yet to, please subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And I'm glad you're all here. Okay, so just a friendly reminder, don't forget, please, and subscribe. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit, and you know I might as well do it in the bowl. Just a little bit of olive oil on all the potatoes. Okay, there we go. Okay, then you're going to take your potatoes, and you're just going to cover all of them with the olive oil. There you go. Make sure they're all covered. Okay, let me just wipe my hands off. Then you're going to take salt. Whatever salt you have, doesn't have to be sea salt. And you're going to cover the potatoes in salt. Okay. Okay, there you go. You're going to place all your potatoes in the container. Now our aluminum foil pan. Okay, there you go. Okay. Looks like they have enough space there. Let me just rinse my hands. Ooh, have a lot of oil in these hands. All right. Okay, so if you want, you can use maybe some gloves, but that's okay. Just wanted to get that done with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my oven. I'm going to place the potatoes in here. Well, just give me 1 second. Hold on. Okay, I just wanted you to I wanted to position the camera so you can see me putting the potatoes in the oven. So we're going to put the potatoes in here. We're also going to place our ½ pound of bacon in here also. Okay, so that's that. And we're just going to let that cook until it's done. And we'll come and check on that in a few minutes. Okay guys, so we're checking on our bacon that we had in the oven. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to separate the slices so that it can continue to cook. And if you've ever had made bacon in the oven, let me know. Do you prefer making it in the oven, or do you prefer making it on the stove top? Personally, I prefer it in the oven because it's faster, it cooks up faster, it cooks up neater. Like the strips they don't shrink a lot. They basically stay the same length. And it looks more appealing because when you do it on the stove top, they curl up and they cook up uneven. And they twist, and one side is cooked better than the other. So, ever since I learned how to cook bacon in the oven, know, I've been trying to do it that way, unless I have just a tiny bit amount. But since I'm making the baked potatoes, you know, I said, why not just make everything in the oven at the same time? Okay, so there we go. Alright, so this goes back in the oven. Okay guys, our bacon is ready. So it's nice and cooked. Let me show you. Okay, there it is. Alright, nice and crispy. And I drained off the oil. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this on. And we're gonna heat up our can of chili. Okay, and this is just regular chili with no beans. Okay, so we're gonna heat up the whole can. If you like with beans, you can get the one with beans. It doesn't matter. It's to your taste. Alright, so we're gonna heat this up. We're still waiting on the potatoes. They're not ready yet. They're still baking. And okay, we'll be back when we're ready to assemble everything. Okay, so we're back. Our potatoes are done. And what I did was I split one in the middle just to make sure. And let me just move this a little bit closer so you can see. We heated up our chili mix. And what we're gonna do inside each potato, well, the one that I'm gonna be having, I'm gonna put butter, cheese, bacon, chili, and I wish I had some sour cream, but I forgot to buy some. But okay, maybe next time in another video, I'll make the sour cream baked potato. So we've got butter. Okay, got a butter in here. Okay, I hope you guys can see. Let me just check. All right. Okay. Then I'm gonna put in my cheese. A little bit of cheese in there. Okay, a little bit of crumbled bacon. And here's the bacon, the finished bacon. Okay. I'm just going to break it up. Okay, there you go. Alright, and a little bit of chili. Right, here's the chili. So a little bit of that chili. There you go. I feel like I'm missing something, but I put everything in there. Bacon, cheese, chili, butter. Yeah, I guess I needed my sour cream. Okay, so let's open up another one. Move this one off to the side. Okay. Open it up this way. Then what I did was I folded up 2 pieces of foil so I don't burn myself. Then you push the ends in towards each other. The potato. Add bacon. You add your toppings, whatever toppings you like. I like butter. Sometimes I just like butter by itself on my baked potato, and that's also, really, that's when they taste the best. When you've just got butter in your baked potato, you really don't need anything else, you know? So, okay, a little bit of the chili mix and cheese. Okay, guys, there you have it. Okay, here you go. Put this one in here. This one in here. I'll show you up close. Okay, that's what that looks like. All right. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Let's taste this one. A little bit of the bacon, a little bit of the cheese, potato, chili. Okay, a little bit of potato. Let me blow on it. I don't want to burn my mouth. Guys, I encourage you to make this. And if you do, please come back and let me know how it came out. Let me know the toppings that you added. And again, I'm so happy you were here today to share this with me. I'll see you later.